yesterday. I cannot fake this stuff because like crates.io keeps like a history of the dates. Yesterday, my friend and co-founder Camille Littman just finished like an awesome OpenAI integration. So despite these like political news and whatever, the fact of the matter is that OpenAI technology is actually really good. So we just released our crate, an OpenAI framework for Rust. What's different about it? I mean, if you just look OpenAI, there are like a bunch of options. It's like, why should you even consider our tool? Well, the reason why I believe we should consider our tool is because we made the API type safe. So you won't be parsing text and all these garbage, from the OpenAI responses. Instead, we ensure that the queries are type safe. And how do we do that? Let me just open the example and it will be clear to you. So let's go take a look at the assistant example. So look at this. Let's start from here. Here we are sending a document to OpenAI file API, and then we are saying extract the information requested in the response type from the attached concert information. It's that simple. And then look at how we actually Camille did 99% of the work. Look at how we request the response to have a particular type, concert info. So this means that internally, we take care of prompting OpenAI API properly so that you get this struct back. So you send a file in, okay, and then you extract all the information that you want, and you get these back. Let's take a look at the document. But I think, okay, so this is a press release from the San Francisco Symphony, a couple of years old, I think, for immediate release, March 18, 2019. And the bottom line here is that you send this file to OpenAI, you get this back. How amazing is that? This is the power of OpenAI. You know, if you were to do machine learning for this will take you, I don't know, 6 months to do it before. So, you know, OpenAI API, despite all the politics and all the BS, is a fantastic tool. So, I mean, we already covered the example, so might as well run it. So let's see, example, boom. It's doing all the Rust things here. I'm going to probably fast forward this on edit. Okay, so here we send the file to OpenAI, and then we start to like pull the response. So we created the file, and then after pulling a few times, we get this. I want you to focus on this. Okay, so seems like we were able to parse the file successfully. So the dates of the concert, according to what we parsed, are only actually one day, on September 6th. Let's see if that's true. So it looks like I closed the file, but that's okay because I can just open it again. So dates. Friday, September 6th. So if we go to the third page, we say that it's Friday, September 6th, just one date. The band is Metallica. The band is Metallica, for sure. The band is Metallica. And then the venue is Chase Center in San Francisco, USA. So yeah, this all checks. There's no ticket price. I wonder what will happen. So we know that there's no ticket information. What will happen if I change the query and instead of ticket price, I will say include information about ticket purchase info. Let's see if the AI is smart enough to figure out what I mean. I think it is. So I'll just run the same program again. Let's see if we get a different outcome here. So I'm telling you, this is magnificent. This is just so simple. And if you saw the news lately, they reduced the cost of the API. So this is not a gimmick. This is something else. So let's see. Okay, we are querying the assistant API. It's rocking through that file right now. Oh, wonderful. So it figured out that the ticket purchase information, it did figure out what I meant, which is where do I buy the tickets? And it did say, well, the tickets are available at chasecenter.com. So I don't know what you think. To me, this is fantastic. So yeah. So the crate is available like any other crate at crates.io, OpenAI safe. Take it for a spin. Stop by Discord if you have any questions. And we are just planning to double down on this technology because it's amazing. We don't care about the politics. We are engineers. So, yep. Let's go. Peace out. See ya.